Yo everyone, what is up? Today we're gonna be reviewing 5 storms in the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Mainly they're all in the Pacific Ocean, but we will be going over the ones in the Indian Ocean too. So stay tuned. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, the first storm we're going to talk about is Tropical Storm Garance. It is a newly formed storm that is going to go straight towards the island of St. Denis. So, yeah, it's in do its direct landfall there, sadly. Yeah, it's going to do direct landfall of 85-mile-per-hour winds. However, the storm is actually going quite fast, as you can see on the count. It's going really fast. It is gonna be. It's after it hits you guys. That's just gonna go straight gone. So yeah, right. So right now, this is what the JTWC said. I'm not gonna read all of it, but you can read it all. You can pause the video. You can read it all if you want. That's all the information they gave. So yeah. So this storm, after it comes here, I'm guessing I wouldn't want to talk about it anymore. As by the time it's like, after this time, it's just gonna probably become a tropical disturbance again, and it's probably gonna never form again. So yeah. There was actually a storm we talked about yesterday that was right around here, but it actually did die off. So yeah, this storm is coming off the coast of Madagascar. So yeah, that's that. It's in the Indian Ocean. Next up, we have severe tropical cyclone Bianca. Sorry. So it is currently, let's see, it is currently 730 miles, 720 to 740 miles off the coast of Australia. And it is about to die off soon. It shouldn't be a threat for anywhere. And yeah, Bianca is currently in the Indian Ocean as well. It's not a huge threat to anyone. I don't think it's a threat to anyone right now, actually. And yeah, so it's just gonna die off. So nothing really happened with it. Yeah, like yesterday when we looked at this, it looked really cool. Like, yeah, okay, I don't know what happened to it yet, but that's how it looked yesterday. It looked super cool. It's just this. Yeah, it doesn't look very. It doesn't look like really. It looks like so messed up. It's not a very good form storm anymore. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna be done with the Indian Ocean because nothing's really happening too much around here. So we're gonna go ahead and head into the Pacific Ocean. In the Pacific Ocean, we have 3 tropical cyclones: Tropical Cyclone Alfred, Tropical Cyclone Ciru, and Tropical Cyclone Ray. We're gonna go over Tropical Cyclone Alfred. So Tropical Cyclone Alfred is definitely going to hit Australia. You can definitely see in its code of uncertainty. It's going to be in Australia. Currently, it is from the place it's going to hit. It is 600 miles away, and the storm is actually not going too fast, so it could be. Not, it doesn't. It shouldn't be too severe a threat. But also, however, I was expecting it to just go to 60 miles per hour. It shouldn't. I thought it wouldn't be too much, but now that I look at the cone, it's starting to see this. It just weakening so slow. It's just going 5 miles an hour less, and I feel like now when it comes to it, it's gonna be either 70 or 65 miles per hour, maybe still 60. So by the time it hits you guys, it's gonna be somewhere between 60 and 70 mile per hour winds. So that's not too bad. Right now we can see the winds. You can see that it's that in the eye wall the winds are hitting right about 50 miles per hour. Yeah, it's not the exact thing, but yeah, it doesn't the exact winds, but it's pretty close. Also, these are the winds all felt on the ground, not in like way up in its there. So yeah, we're gonna come back to Tropical Cyclone Alfred. I want to talk about the other storms too. So some of the other storms we have are Tropical Cyclone Cyril. Cyril isn't gonna be hitting anywhere. It's just like affecting some of these places here. They're actually getting pretty high winds. So yeah, and then we have Tropical Cyclone Ray, which is if we can like it's basically not even a storm anymore. I don't know. Like it doesn't look like a storm that much anymore. But I want to actually head back to Tropical Cyclone Alfred, and I want to go to this thing called winding. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the wind, not the wind, the waves. waves. So we're gonna switch to waves mode. So you can see right now, if you can, yep. So you can see right now around like the waves are pretty high. So far, the ones in Australia aren't too high, 6 feet, 4 feet. They're getting there though. But if we can, let's go to the 28th. Let's go to the last day. Okay. So the storm. So here. Let me turn on tropical systems, tropical storms, so you guys can see these things. So you guys can see like the storm. Where's tropical storms? Okay, I don't think I can find it right now. Oh no, it's right here. I think it's somewhere here. Right here. Map. Okay, I can't find it for some reason right now, but yeah, there should usually be tropical storm somewhere here, but yeah, I just can't find it right now for some reason. Yeah, but if we look here, you can see that the waves are getting pretty high as it gets closer. See, let's head on to the second. And now it's super close. You can see the waves are getting up to 11 feet. That is huge. 11 feet is literally like how tall the tallest man is, and there's no one as tall as this right now, though. Like, and in the hour, you can see like 30 feet waves. 30 feet is huge. Like, there's some crazy waves. So, yeah, this can definitely be a dangerous storm. I don't think it will be too dangerous, but it can definitely be a crazy storm. Next up, I'm going to show you guys the rain and thunder. So, show me the picture. You can see 2.2 inches. Yeah, like this is some crazy rain. Let's go ahead and take it up to as far as I can. Yeah, it's just some crazy rain. It actually, I don't know why it's showing like this right now. Yeah, it's okay. There we go. There we go. This is the right. Sorry, this is right. Yeah, so you guys can see on the coast you're up to 2 inches of rain. And let's go back to waves. Now this is right. What are waves? Okay, these are the actual waves. Yeah, 14, 15 feet. That is huge. That is so much weight. Like, that's so big. You know, like, that's just crazy. 15 feet is, oh my God, yeah. Let's go back to the accumulation, but yeah, you can see right here. Okay, this is the rain. This is how much it's gonna rain. 5 point, yeah, it's like, look at all this rain. 6 inches in some areas. That can be crazy flooding. So it's definitely somewhat of a quite dangerous storm. Next up, we're going to see some satellite imagery for Tropical Cyclone Alfred. Okay, so if you don't know what this is, I'm going to explain to you what all of this is. So all the pink clouds are like just like huge accumulations clouds, and basically the more pink and gray they are, the more healthy the storm is. And if you see over here how it's just trying to turn, that means it's trying to make an eye. And like you can see like right here, I'm gonna pause.